Exploring Prepositions of Place, a guide to building better sentences. Hello learners! Welcome to another exciting English language learning video. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating area of grammar that often puzzles learners: prepositions of place. We'll unravel what they are, their purpose, and how you can use them to enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. First off, let's define what prepositions of place are. These are words that help us describe the location or position of something. They are essential tools to create a clear mental image of where things are in space. Common examples include in, at, on, under, above, near, between, and many more. For example, if we say, "The book is on the table," the word on helps us understand where the book is located. So, why are these prepositions of place so important? Well, they serve a critical role in language by providing spatial understanding. With prepositions of place, we can explain where something or someone is, or where an action is happening. They help us create meaningful and precise sentences. Without these small words, we'd have a much harder time understanding the space around us and communicating that understanding to others. Now that we understand what prepositions of place are and why they're important, let's see how to use them. Here are some common uses. In is used for enclosed spaces. Example: the dog is in the garden. On is used when something is on top of or touching a surface. Example: the picture is on the wall. At is used for specific points. Example: she is waiting at the bus stop. Under refers to something beneath or below. Example: the cat is sleeping under the bed. Above means higher than a point. Example: the plane is flying above the clouds. Near suggests close proximity. Example: the park is near my house. Between is used when something is in the middle of two things. Example: the post office is between the bank and the supermarket. Remember, prepositions of place are all about creating a vivid picture of where things are in relation to each other. Practice makes perfect, so keep using them in your everyday conversations. That brings us to the end of our exploration of prepositions of place. We've seen what they are, their purpose, and how to use them effectively. We hope this video has made the concept of prepositions of place easier to understand and apply in your daily communication. As always, keep practicing and keep learning. Until next time, happy learning!